A warm round of applause for Andrey Okonetchnikov.
Hi everyone, thanks for coming and thanks for having me here on this stage. It's an honor. Today I want to talk about how to make linking great again. And what the heck is linked, right? And I assume everyone is familiar with what linked is, but here's a reference from Wikipedia that says so basically it's a static analysis tool that helps you write better code. So many people might ask why even linked, right? Because yeah, if your code is ugly, you don't need to use an uglifier tool. But yeah, using linting tools lead to fewer bugs, better readability, which means less time for code reuse, and faster development. Because as it turns out, on average, software developers spend 50% of their time finding and fixing bugs. So, which is this inefficiency. It's an estimated cost, but it's still it's huge number. It's 312 billion a year. So if you can reduce the amount of these bugs, and if you don't lint, you literally doing this. Yeah, you're burning money. So how to lint, right? There are plenty of tools, from text lint to ESLint, which I love, and if you if you old-fashioned JSLint, SCSS lint, JSON lint even, or the really cool style lint tool for CSS linting. So it's up to you, up to your project, up to your needs. So there are lots of linting tools that will help make your code better or even text better. But is it really faster? Is it really make us faster? Because let's take a look at our usual code writing process, right? So we write our amazing, stylish code. And the next thing we do, we open a pull request, and we push our code to the server just to find out that the build is failing, right? And it's oh, I probably broke something. And then you go to Travis CI just to find out, oh, yeah. It's at this time point, you're oh my God, why? So you go back to your IDE, you fix with semicolon, you push your code again, and it's green. Cool, but still, it's hard, right? It's why? It's raise your hand. How many people have been in this situation? It's yeah, it's almost everyone. And I was oh yeah, let's take a look at this popular project called Webpack. Probably many of you are familiar with it. And it's just April 9th. It's a few days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's just the first page. I didn't even scroll. And I was interesting. How many of these things could be on GitHub? So I searched, fixing link, almost 500 errors, search results. Okay, I was it's not too much. Yeah, fixing indentation, almost 3 million. I was oh my God, I wish I could link before committing changes to a repository. It should do everyone, right? But yeah, making this is pretty hard. So Git hooks, yeah, Git hooks are hard, right? It's hard to set up, it's hard to manage, and most importantly, it's hard to share across the team. So yeah, where's the tool for that? So it's called Husky. You just npm install, and if you really modern, you use Yarn, right? Doesn't matter. And after that, you can do, in your package JSON, you just added this new script. It's called pre-commit in this case. And you run the command, it's ESLint in this case, on a pre-commit hook. So it will just work across the whole team. So the next time everyone checks out this code, it will just work. But yeah, on many projects that are legacy projects, you might go into this problem, 6,000 errors after this. And also, this might take up to a few minutes time before this finished this linting process. So it's slow and displaying irrelevant results. This is where you meet LintStage, the project I created and maintain. And you install it a similar way. And the only change you need is instead of ESLint dot, you write LintStage, and then you add this LintStage configuration, which is also simple. It's a globe and a command you want to run on these files. And this is how it looks like. So it only runs this command on the staged files you're about to commit. So in this case, you see there's just one file I'm going to commit. And now it's running lint only on this file. So it's fast, and you see results that are relevant to this file and not to the rest of the changed files. But yeah, which makes Git hooks amazing, right? But there's more. You can even automatically fix linting errors. So if you create this kind of config, you now can fix errors, add it to this to the index of this commit, and commit in one way. Or even reformat your code. There's an amazing project called Prettier that will automatically reformat your code on pre-commit hook and add it to your commit. And this is how it looks like. So here I have a pretty bad formatted React code. Nobody wants to read this one, right? And I commit it because I don't care. I'm a bad developer. And then I run this hook. And the next thing you can see, this is the code I got in the repository. Just like, what? So it goes out of your way. So it just, you keep writing your code as you would, but it makes your code prettier. So this is the reaction of introducing clean stage with Prettier in Create React App. It's like, what? Remember this? So yeah, don't do this, because you don't have to. You can check this thing out, and you can solve real problems. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Andrey.